on the roadie doing promo. You say keep our business on the low, low. I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, cause you look even better than the photos. Oh, I can find your house, send me the info. Driving through the gated residential, found an I was coming, sent your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only call you when it's half past five, the only time that I'll be by your side. I only love it when you touch me, not feel me when I'm fucked up. It's the real me when I'm fucked up. It's the real me, yeah. Infatuated by the fame status. She wanna ride inside the G-Class, great matted. Come around, she leave that sucker like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need to change bladders. Hush, don't speak. When you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you ain't preach about your new messiah, cause your theories catch fire. I can't find your silver lining. I don't mean to judge, but when you read your speech, it's timely. Enough is enough. Hey. Words got my knees deep. Every single subtweet, might as well speak cheek to cheek. Whoever know what could say so sweet for Pete's sake, make no mistake. Yeah, thirsty the Lorenzo when the like in every pick, and preserving your reality to turn by click. Yeah, you think there's a problem that I feel good to fix. I will tell you that the wrong with you with throw fit. High standards for a man with the lowest self-esteem. Going down this path, you gon' end up as a meme. I mean, you gotta bang your body, it's true, but banging bodies get used, and everybody but you got something more to offer than begging for someone to do. That was someone to me, then listen to more renewed. Let you keep me over 9, trying to get you soon. Don't result up on my games, I wanna throw it on your own site. I left my girl back home. She don't love me anymore, and she never ever known that. I only call you when it's half past five, the only time that I'll be by your side. I only love it when you touch me, not feel me when I'm fucked up. It's the real me when I'm fucked up. It's the real me, yeah.